Now this is how we can block no caller ID on the iPhone. Let's get started. So whenever you receive a call and it just tells you that there is a no caller ID or somebody unknown is calling you, if you want to prevent that, it's quite simple. As what you can do is to open up the settings, and entirely at the bottom you have the phone section. At first you have to go through the apps right there, and then you can locate the phone section. And once you do get inside in there, you have a bunch of different options, but one of them is the silence unknown callers. And basically, when somebody calls you and they have hidden their caller ID, so you don't know who that is, well, they will fall under this category. So your phone will block numbers and incoming calls from people that you don't know about, from the people that you don't have any kind of connection with or anything. So these callers will be blocked, put and sent to voicemail so you can read or listen to their messages if you want to later. And they will also show up in the recents list in the phone app, but your phone will not ring directly whenever they contact you. So this is how you can technically block the no caller ID numbers on your iPhone. It's pretty simple and very useful. Outside of that, you can also set up the do not disturb mode, where you have a bunch of different custom settings for which people can and which people cannot contact you, but that's a bit of a different story. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and check it out if you wish. But that's basically it. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more so you never miss anything important like this. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.